Hey guys, welcome back to Coffee with the Crazy Wig Lady. Okay, so I ran a poll on my Insta stories and I asked, what did you want to talk about? Did you want to talk about wigs or makeup or both? And both won by a landslide. So we're going to talk about both today. I, first of all, got my hair cut. As you can see, I want to tell you, I love it. I am just into these short haircuts that I can get up in the morning and brush and go. It's dyed a little pink. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do something. If you want to dye your hair pink, dye your hair pink and love it and wear it and be proud of it. I have had so many people since I did this stop me and say, I love your haircut and I love the color. Just be you. Whatever you want to do, just do it. Don't care what anybody else says or thinks. But let's talk about some hair and let's talk about some makeup. Now, as far as makeup goes, I have a bunch of stuff here. All of this I've shown you, I think, before, but all of this I have been using, so I have a good idea if I really like it. I mean, I've used it for a couple months now. So I'm going to give you my opinions on it, what I like, what I don't like, and we'll go from there. First of all, let's talk about some wigs. Another thing I want to talk about, don't let people tell you what to wear, girls. Just don't do it. I used to never love a center part. Now, guess what? I love a center part. This is Margu Avery in 10613 GR. Now, I love this color from Margu. I am going to do a review here on Instagram on this, I think. But just giving you a quick look at this. This is the most low density, beautiful style. I'm not sure what colors this comes in. This is just the one I have. And I have worn this and worn it and worn it. So I wanted to put it on. I wanted to talk about it a little bit with you and show it to you just a little. It is just such a fun, sleek, look how sleek this is, style. Now, you saw, out of the box, you're out of here. That's how long it's going to take you. Have some water. You know, I always spray my wigs with some water. That's a great way to tame some flyaways, to just separate the fibers just a little, and you're out the door. This is a darling wig. If you're looking for something sleek, you want to try a middle part, think about Avery. Okay, I'm just going to start with a little makeup. Something, you know, I always am showing you everything, high-end and drugstore, right? Because I love high-end and I also love drugstore. So whatever works is what I want to use. So I have a high-end and a drugstore that I just love both of them. This is the Airbrush Bronzer by Charlotte Tilbury. I've showed it to you a million times. You can tell this is much loved. It's almost time for another one. This is the number 2. I don't have to tell you, I use it all the time. You can see I use it all the time. It's not gray, which on some bronzers, I feel like they can get gray. This is just a beautiful light shade for me, and I think it's a gorgeous bronzer. Another one, if you want to try more of a drugstore, more of an affordable brand, this is the Revolution Ultra Powder Contour. This has some highlighters, but the contour bronzer colors I think are so nice here. Really, really good. I use these two shades mixed together, and I have it on today. And I think it's a beautiful bronzer contour. So if that's something you're interested in, this is a very, very nice palette at a super, super affordable price. So just to let you know that. Now, you know, blushes. I think I've talked to you about Physicians Formula, those butter blushes before. This one I have fallen in love with it. I use this on the daily, just for daily makeup, not filming, but just on the everyday basis. This one is called Butter Believe It. I think it's so cute. It is just, has different shades of pink, and there's some, also a little taupe in there. just all together, perfect everyday blush. And I really, really like this Milani, let's see, Rose, Romantic Rose, yeah, number 1, 01 Romantic Rose. This is a nice color as well. So these are ones I tend to reach for on a daily basis. I wear a MAC one, the, I think it's mauve, I'm not sure, for filming. It's a little deeper, but these are really nice every day. Now, you know, I have no eyebrows. I lost them when I had chemo, and they just grew back super, super sparse. So I have to pencil in my eyebrows every day. And I have tried a gajillion eyebrow pencils. You name it, I've tried it. This one I have really enjoyed. This is the Fenty Beauty. Let's see if it has, I think it's ultra fine tip. This one's a medium brown. I have medium, light, and dark brown, just depending on what I'm wearing. For filming, I use dark brown. On the daily, I'll use a light and a medium. It's how it looks like this. It has the nicest point, small point on this. Really, really just easy to get in there. It's not too big. It's just a perfect size. And then it has this little brush on the end. Instead of a spoolie, it has this little brush, and I really think that's neat. So if you're looking for another eyebrow pencil, you want to try something different, give this Fenty Beauty one a try. I highly recommend this one. Let's see, talking about Fenty Beauty, I am still hooked on these gloss bombs. I have 3 colors. I have them on, have it on today. I have on this one. It is, let's see, 01 Fenty Glow. I just put this over whatever lipstick I'm wearing, and it just adds a gloss, a shine to it. It lasts, it's not sticky. These are lovely. I like the clear one, and this one is more of a pink, and it is called Fussy, number 2. They have a doe foot applicator, and they just smooth on. Oh my goodness, I'm hooked on these. I think there are a few more shades that I don't have. These are the 3 I have, and I reach for them every single day. I put one of these over whatever lipstick I'm gonna wear. Okay, y'all, my neighbor is doing some yard work, so that's my background noise. I'm sorry, but hey, this is how it is when we're filming outside. This Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint, SPF 40, everyday, beautiful. If you're, you know, if I'm just gonna be around town running some errands, I will put this on. It's like a tinted moisturizer almost. It's very thin though. Be sure to shake this super well before you use it. It has a SPF of 40 in it, so just be sure to do that and really, really shake it up well. I learned that the hard way a couple times too. But this is just a nice lightweight skin tint if you're looking for something like that. And I cannot say enough about this L'Oreal True Match Nude. This tinted serum also. This is just an everyday throw on and go favorite. Now for filming, no, I don't use this, way too lightweight for filming, but on the daily basis, this is a nice one as well. Let's see, let's talk about another wig real quick. How about that? Because I promised you wigs and makeup. Okay. Reaching for this wig almost daily. This is Elan Metallic Blonde Rooted. You might have seen me review this already. Throw on and go pixie. I cannot tell you how much I love this hair. You can spray a little water in it. I don't have a mirror, so I'm just doing the best I can here, y'all. But just throw this on and get out the door. Really? I just don't think it gets much easier than that. It's just adorable. It really, really is. It's super short. Look at the sides. It is like really, really short on the sides. So if you have a lot of hair that grows down, this might not work, but I gotta tell you, I love this color. This color, metallic, blonde, rooted. It's a winner. It's a winner. Okay, another makeup I want to talk about, NARS. Now, this NARS makeup, it has coverage. It is still lightweight. It's the light reflecting foundation. And I have it in the color vanilla. I love that it has a pump. I'm all about that. This is one, if you want a little bit more coverage than the skin tints we were looking at, this is a little more coverage, but this is a beautiful everyday foundation. It lasts all day. It is just really, really pretty. I like it. Now, one I wanted to love, and I have worn it, is the Huda Beauty. More people love this. Some of my friends swear by it. Also a pump. Beautiful foundation. However, I have such dry skin that I have found this doesn't wear well for me during all day long. If I put it on, do some filming right away, it's fine. But as I wear this through the day, I do not feel like it looks good on my skin. So I just have to tell you that. And like I said, I have super, super dry skin. And I wanted to love this so bad because the finish is gorgeous. But in the long run, it just did not do it for me, unfortunately. And the last two are palettes I have shown you. These are the Wayne Goss palettes. Let's see, Tourmaline and Smoky Quartz. I have used these over and over again. They last forever. They do not have much fallout. This is the Tourmaline. These are like butter. They go on your eyes. So smooth. Like I said, not a bunch of fallout, just wearable, beautiful, beautiful colors. And this one, the Smoky Quartz. Look at these colors. I know they're pricey, but I highly recommend them. You will get so much wear out of these. You will wear these, you will use them over and over again. Well worth the money. And I don't say that unless I really believe it is well worth the money. Now, let's see, what other wigs do we want to talk about? Okay, this was new. Like I said, Elan from Ellen Villa. I enjoyed it. And lastly, I'm going to talk about an oldie but a goodie. And how can we ever, if you are a short hair lover, I'm sure you are more than familiar with Jon Renau Ignite. And I have mine in Venice Blonde. And this to me is the ultimate throw on and go. It never goes out of style. I love the silhouette of this. You know, it's a favorite and a bestseller for Jon Renau for a reason, because you just throw this on and you can never ever go wrong, for sure. Okay guys, that's what I got today. We talked about wigs, we talked about makeup. I promised we would. And leave me some comments. What do you want to talk about next time? Maybe by then, well, I'll have some new releases. I've got a lot of new releases coming. And so I probably will show you all of those next time. Please like my channel here. I love doing this for you. I think it's fun just to sit outside and talk for a few minutes. Excuse my background noise, like I said, but you know, there's life happening all around me here. I have neighbors on all sides. Everyone's out. The weather's getting better. People are outside working in the yards, doing things. So excuse the extra noise, but I don't mind it because we're out here together. Okay, I'll see you next time. Have a great day.